How do I start this video? I don't know how to start this video. In this video I will try not to get emotional, but it is hard because it's an emotional topic for me, how to reach your dreams. I just want to start by saying that I haven't had the easiest road to reach where I am now. I've reached some of my dreams that seem to be impossible at some point. And I have 3 steps that I follow, and I want to share it with you in this video. And I have a 4th tip at the end that might be the most important one of them all, depending on what you think. And so let's start. And yeah, I'm gonna share from the heart because I lost my script. But I know what I'm gonna say, so let's start. The first step is something that I like to call bringing the dream to reality. When we think about dreams, we normally think about them that it's something that we might not achieve. It's something that's out of this world. It's something for someone else. Other people in life can achieve it, but maybe not me, and that's okay. Someone, a celebrity or someone with the right financial situation, with the right living circumstances, they can have it, but maybe not me. And that's not the right way to start, I think. We should make the dream something from our world, something, a reality that we can achieve, you know? And if we do the right steps, we might achieve it. We don't know the steps now, but we will figure that out. So the first step is to convert your dream into a goal, something that you will work towards, and you will figure out the steps for it. That's something we will do in the next steps in this video. So that's the first thing. Take your dream, it's a goal now, it's not something that you will not achieve, and let's go to the next step. The second step is figuring out what to do and starting to do them. You have a goal now and you don't know how to achieve it, and that's okay. We will do that now. Take your goal. What should I do first to go in the direction of achieving my goal? And start implementing that. Don't try to figure out the whole way. Some people recommend that you find the whole way, of course. It's better, it takes you shorter time if you do that. But now, don't do that. That is where people get stuck. They're trying to figure out everything, but you can't, and you will procrastinate, waiting for the right moment, for the right circumstances. Just start with the first step that you can do with the resources that you have, and start. Take the first step now, and start working. Today, not tomorrow, you are working towards your dream. You are doing the first step, downloading an app, taking first step, literally, start today. And then you will figure out later, when you finish this step, you will figure out the next step. Or you might find that this didn't work and you find an alternative step. So don't get stuck and procrastinate, just start. Take the first step now and we will figure out later the other steps when you are working towards your goal. So just do that and let's go to the next step. So you have started working towards your dream. You have taken your first steps, and it is exciting. But later, it's gonna become harder. It's gonna be hard to motivate yourself. Everyone next to you might start doubting yourself because they care about you. They want you to be realistic, maybe. They don't see what you're seeing. You'll start doubting yourself. And let's say that becoming a YouTuber is my dream. Now I'm here outside, taking a day off from work, walking, talking. I'm doubting myself, but I control that feeling. I'm just gonna put on the effort, put the work. And this will be a step that I look back to in the future and say, this took me further in my journey to reach my dream. So have that belief, be strong. Be consistent, even when you are not excited as you were before. Be consistent. And this is the third step. And now we come to the last step, the extra tip that I told you about in the beginning of the video. And it's about the things that are out of your control. When you are working towards your dream, you are taking steps that you have control of, but there are things that are out of your control. You want to get accepted in the things that you apply for. You want your air flight not to get cancelled or delayed. You want not to get sick in an important exam or something. Those are things that might be out of your control. And the way I see it is that if you want good things to happen to you and the bad things not to happen to you, you have to be a good person. You have to help others when you can. You have to try to, not have to, but you should want to donate money to help others and to prevent the bad things from happening to you. So that's my last tip. Be a good person, make the world better for others, and the world will be better for you, and you will help you to reach your dreams. So that's it for me for this tip and for the whole video. I hope you liked it. This is a new type of video. Let me know in the comments if you like it. Bye bye.